Next, let's add tags. Reopen the ChatGPT prompt template document you used earlier. There's a link to the ChatGPT prompt document template in the description below. Scroll down to the WordPress tag generation prompt. Copy everything below the header that says prompt template, and then paste it into your existing ChatGPT chat. Then copy the full text of your blog post and paste it below the prompt. To do this, I recommend going to the blog post and then clicking preview. From here, it's easy to just click into the page and then hit Command A to copy everything. It will bring in the stuff in the top toolbar, but we don't need to worry about that. Go back to ChatGPT and then paste it below the bracketed line. As a quick side note, I should mention you don't need deep research enabled for this step. Once everything's pasted in, submit the prompt. ChatGPT will generate relevant tags. Go ahead and copy them. Return to the blog editor. Scroll on the right side down to the tags section, and then paste in the results. You may need to hit comma to make sure that your last result ends up in there. Now your post is better organized and easier for readers to discover.